All right, traders, we're back with the dollar Swiss franc. We haven't been here for, I think it was 5 days, maybe 5 or 6 days last time we were here. So, and price was just coming off, that low, coming off another low. We were tracking this trading range right from the get-go because we actually were looking at the bigger setup coming from the weekly chart. We were waiting for this upside reversal on a large scale. It just happened to be forming a bit of a consolidation here, right? A bit of a trading range right before it's actually turning around. That's what, that's the assumption. That's the best guess we have right now. So we were tracking that, local trading range, and we actually got involved with a few legs in this move, in this formation, and we've done very well. Now we think price is about to break out. So no more this trading range. We think we're going to say goodbye to this, to this sideways movement, and we will break out of that blue system representing this short-term trading range, and we'll activate, basically we'll merge with the bigger picture. Let me show you the bigger picture coming from the weekly chart. Here it is. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Here's the formation here. Let me track down the movements. This is the moves, right? We've just finished up, a downside swing, which we call leg number 4. Now, this is the breakout, guys. We had the trigger. We had a trigger at this is the official trigger 97.60, right? This is the mid-low key level here. We've seen price kind of trying to break through before. Was engaging with that level before. We knew this is a big one, and we just wanted to see that weekly breakout confirmation in order to trigger a move that we think is going to get to 99.08 at the very minimum. So that's going to be our our primary target. And that breakout came just last Friday, right, with that weekly bar close above 97.60. That was good news. We felt confident that we can start, we can fire up and get involved here with a bullish position. Let me take you back again to the daily chart. There is one more obstacle standing in the way, right? You can see 97.89 actually belongs to the blue setup, right, to the short-term setup here, and it still is the last line of resort, so to speak. The fact that we broke, price crossed over 97.60, that's a very good sign. But now we have one more obstacle in the way, right? One more task to fulfill. So we need price to make it, to break through 97.89, and then we will be much more comfortable to actually engage with a bigger position, right? To throw in another quarter. Right now we're running with a quarter size position. We can easily push that to a 50% position size and get a bigger position running forward. We'll be we'll feel a lot comfortable here, right? 97.89 is still the top resistance here, and it could send price into a downside reversal. It can send price back downside, back towards that lower section again, and we don't want to have that. So we should wait and just make sure price can handle that 97.89, right? Our stop loss level here is still at 96.50, right? We're still hesitant where the stop loss level we were just waiting for that breakout. Once we have that breakout, we'll begin to adjust the stop loss level accordingly. All right, guys, so there you go. Dollar Swiss, we're still here, still doing well with this one. Let's see if we can continue one more push to 99.08 before we can look for opportunities somewhere else. All right, that's about that for today. Have a nice trading day. We will be back tomorrow. See you then.